Hi guys, I'm here to present how I set my dining table. Wherever you have visitor, this is how you set your dining table. Most especially when you are working at restaurants, this is how the table set is going to be when client is coming to your restaurant. So guys, I opened down my red wine because it is very important to open your red wine to take a fresh hell before you start drinking it. We use red wine to eat beef and white wine to eat fish. This is how it is done here. So this is how I set my dining table with my plate, my fork, and my knife. Now guys, we have our cucumber and carrot, toasted cucumber and carrot. How I did it is done with grounded bread, egg, salt, and some oil. Put it inside the oven. Here we have our yummy potato in the oven. My potato is made with paprika, garlic, onions, and virgin oil with some salt. Yeah, we have, wow, my fresh beef to make my barbecue. So guys, you that is there always supporting my channel, my family, friends, and loved ones, and all over the world, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. You that have not subscribed to my channel, please, anytime you pass by my video, please guys, subscribe to my channel, like and hit the notification bell, and hit up your comment what you think of what I'm doing. Hit the notification bell wherever I upload any new video. You will be the first person to be notified. This is how I make this yummy and delicious food today. So guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. I love you guys. Have a lovely day and stay tuned. Watch this video till the end. Bye.